In this video I'm going to teach you how to cancel Recreen transfer in M1 Finance. It is very easy and quick process, so make sure about this video till the end. Now cancel a Recreen transfer in your M1 Finance. First need to open up your app and then you need to click on this transfer option from the bottom face screen. This is usually located at the middle of your screen, so just click on it. Then this will open up this screen where you can see the amount of your M1 Finance account. Now only need to do is just look for this pending section, and under this pending section all of your Recreen deposit will be listed. Now from here select the Recreen deposit or the transfer that you want to cancel. Just click on it. Then this will open up this similar screen. From you have to click on this cancel transfer button. So if your transaction or the transfer is pending, it hasn't been approved, you will see this cancel option, but if it has been approved, you will not see this option. So you have to keep in mind that, so just click on this transfer button and then it will ask you to confirm this, so just click on yes button and your Recreen transfer will be cancelled. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.